a reason.
Lois, don't be a hypocrite. You've smoked pot.
Well, sure, Brian, but I'm thinking about the children. Pot's illegal mainly to protect them.
No, pot is illegal because William Randolph Hearst ran a smear campaign against marijuana in the 1930s to protect his interests in the timber industry because hemp was poised to replace wood as an inexpensive raw material for the manufacture of paper.
There's your smear campaign right there, Brian.
Mom's right. Drugs are bad, Brian. I mean, haven't you seen those commercials?